We're live from the pits at Roberts, Wisconsin for Roberts Good Neighbor Days. Just checking out the action of what's going to be here. We are not live streaming this show on Derby Nation. We are just filming this. Should have the videos out within a couple days after the show. I believe the classes are chain stock, youth chain, semi-weld, MWFA, vans, trucks? No. There are no trucks here today. Those are our classes. We'll find out more information in the drivers' meeting, but the Facebook post this morning told yesterday, I believe, told everybody to prep for heat. So, should be heat's feature. Heat's in everything but youth, I believe the post was. A lot of semi-weld cars here. Oh, and lawnmowers. I forgot about lawnmowers. What a dog. I spy with my little eye one of the team cars from Ellsworth last year. Those trunks look tough, that's for sure. All right, I believe, or I should restart. We are live in the pit walk at Good Neighbor Days in Roberts, Wisconsin. We are not live on Demolition. We are just recording the show. We'll have the recordings out within 1 or 2 days after the show. Classes today, Tim Cam. Classes today include youth midsize, midsize chain, minivan SUV, semi-weld, I think I already said MWFA, but whatever, vans. Probably missing one, but I believe that's correct. Youth and adult chain, weld, van, MWFA. Ooh, looks like we got a donut crusher car from last weekend at Memorial Mayhem. We're on our way back down this side.
Superstar right here.
You're funny.
You guys gonna be recording all of the heats?
Yep. Yeah, we'll have it up on YouTube a couple days after. Some more cars that we saw last weekend at Memorial. Love to see drivers coming out and supporting other promoters. Something tells me this is going to be nosed by the end of today. Again, for all of our classes, mid-size chain, weld, van, and MWFA, it sounds like there are heats. Again, we'll learn more in the driver's meeting. I assume MWFA is probably going to be 2 features. And then the only other class we have, and it's not going to be heats, is the youth mid-size.